In this video I'm going to show you how to check music listening history on Spotify. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, make sure your Spotify is up to date or not. So open App Store on your iPhone or Play Store on your Android. So as you can see, my Spotify is up to date, so tap on open, and as you can see, here is a home page of Spotify. So and then just drag right side to access listening history. As you can see here, second option is listening history. So tap here to see all the music that I played, and it's a sort by time and date. And Monday, past April 2024, I listened that for music, and 26 March I listened that to music. So that goes on. So that way you can check music listening history on Spotify. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.